my friends, welcome to your own channel. This is episode 10 of HTML free full course. Let's get started. In this session, we're gonna talk about tables in HTML. And HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. So, let's define an HTML table. A table in HTML actually consists of table cells inside rows and columns. Okay, we should use table tag here and tr tag actually, and I will tell you what are these. I just want to show you a table, how it would display, and then I'm gonna describe all of them. For example, company, then contact, and then country. Okay, let's have another tr just right before it inside table tag. Okay, you can see inside table tag, and we use th inside tr. So we use tr inside table tag and th inside tr. It's that simple. For example, give me a company fits name. What would I call my company? Atlas Web Development. Okay, that's the name of my company. And it's TD, I'm sorry, not TH. It's TD, tada. Okay, it's not tada, but yeah. And here, my name. I really want a company named Atlas, and my country is, for example, USA. Spanish, guys. Okay, let's see the result. I'm gonna open this live server. Do you like my new theme? I know all of the web developers use dark themes, and I did also, but I just decided to use a beautiful girly light theme. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna increase it. You can see this is like a table almost, because here we have company names, contact, and country. So our first company name is Atlas Web Development, and the contact is Code Goddess, and country is USA. The second company name is JAVASCRIPT Master Pro, and the contact is Francisco Chung, and country is Mexico, not to see one. So we learned a bit about tables, but what are these actually? Let's talk about them all. Table cells. Each table cell is defined by a TD and TD tag. It's opening and ending tag. TD stands for table data, and everything between TD are the content of the table cell. So, if we just comment this and let's open, you see, these are the contents of the table. Okay, And a table cell can contain all sorts of HTML elements like text, image, list, link, other tables, and etc. I just used text here. What about table rows? Each table row starts with a TR and ends with a TR tag. So this TR stands for table row. Okay, we already did it. You can have as many rows as you like in a table. Just make sure that the number of cells are the same in each row. Okay? There's a note here. There are times when a row can have less or more cells than another. You will learn about that in a later chapter, but relax about that. I'm gonna tell you how to do that. What about table headers? Sometimes you want your cell to be table header cells. In those cases, use the TH tag instead of TD tag. Okay, like here. TH stands for table header. We used TH instead of TD and you can see the result. It's bold and placed in center. Element term is center and this is our TH. So by default the text in TH are bold and centered. But we can change it in CSS later. And this is all about tables. We can change them by CSS properties like border and everything else. Let's try it actually. Okay. For example, I have a CSS file. If I had should I give it a style or not? Let's give it a style. No. Yes. Okay. Style border, and my border is 1 pixel and solid black. Okay, I know you don't know what is border 1 pixel solid black. You just know style attribute, but you should know border is a CSS property, and these are the values of border. You can see our table has a border now. If I change solid to, for example, dotted, you would see the border change to dotted. Okay, you get it? I can change it to 7 pixel and okay, it's bigger and 1 pixel is thinner. Okay, it's larger, but I like solid. Okay, we can add this style attribute to, for example, tr to this tr, and let's see the result. Oops, I can't because because it doesn't have ending quotations. You see here. Okay, I'm gonna delete it. Okay, it should be fixed now. Yep, but I can see any borders because I made a mistake. Let's add it to this th and see the result. Okay. Oh, you can see we have a border here around company, and we can do it for all of them. But what is collapsed table border? You know, to avoid having double borders like in this example above, these double borders, we can use the CSS border collapse property to collapse. So this will make the borders collapse into a single border. how do we use that? I'll show you. Okay. Okay. Let's give this border 1 pixel and solid black, and then border collapse property. Border collapse property. Okay, collapsed. Collapse. Yeah. Okay. That's the result. I absolutely made a mistake and I have no idea what was my mistake. Yeah, I didn't define a border here. Border is 1 pixel black and border collapse. Is it okay? Let's see. Nothing happens. What is my mistake? Exactly. Oh, border collapse. I'm sorry. Okay. What the? Nothing happens. Do you think I'm stupid? Why? Why nothing happens? Border 1 pixel, solid black, and collapse. Okay. Let's use it another way. We can add style attribute to our head of HTML, and we should write table and th. No, we have we have th, td, no, td and th, then open curly brackets and okay. I guess it will work now. Let's see. What? What is the problem? I don't get it. I really don't. What is happening? Why it's not working? Okay, never mind. I hate it, but we're gonna learn about borders in tables in CSS. We should just know how to use borders in HTML. We know th tag, td tags, and tr tag, and that's enough for HTML. We will learn about everything else in HTML, in CSS. I'm sorry, just Please keep waiting for that, and you'll learn it, how to add padding, margins, collapse, row span, and style the border and your tables. So just wait for that, and subscribe and ask your question in comment and dig in more about this practice, and have a nice day. Bye.